Have you ever wondered why Netflix, a company that started as a DVD by mail service, is now a global powerhouse in the entertainment industry? It's a question that stokes intrigue and curiosity, isn't it? From its humble beginnings, Netflix has transformed into a behemoth that's not just about renting movies anymore. It's a household name that has fundamentally changed how we consume entertainment. It's a fascinating paradox, isn't it? A company that began by shipping DVDs in those iconic red envelopes is now a streaming titan that delivers entertainment to millions of screens worldwide. The shift from a DVD service to a global streaming giant wasn't an overnight success. It was a calculated move, a series of strategic decisions that have propelled Netflix to its current stellar position. So, what makes Netflix a compelling investment? Let's unravel the story of its success. The year was 1997. Netflix started as a DVD by mail service, a novel concept at the time. Indeed, the idea was revolutionary, and it disrupted the traditional movie rental model. Instead of venturing to a brick-and-mortar store to rent a film, customers could now receive DVDs directly in their mailboxes. Convenience was the name of the game, and Netflix was setting the rules. In the early years, Netflix operated on a subscription-based model, offering unlimited DVD rentals for a flat monthly fee. It was a risky move, but it paid off. The company grew rapidly, and by the turn of the millennium, it had amassed hundreds of thousands of subscribers and a vast library of DVDs. But the folks at Netflix weren't content with just sending out DVDs. They had their eyes on the future, and in 2007 they made a move that would change the entertainment industry forever. They launched their streaming service, giving subscribers access to thousands of movies and TV shows at the click of a button. This was a seismic shift, not just for Netflix, but for the entire entertainment landscape. As we all know, the transition wasn't without its challenges. There were technical hiccups, bandwidth issues, and a steep learning curve for consumers who were used to physical media. But Netflix persevered, and their bet on streaming paid off in spades. It wasn't long before other companies followed suit, ushering in the era of streaming that we know and love today. Yet the impact of this transition extended beyond the confines of entertainment. It changed our habits, our expectations, and our understanding of what it means to watch a movie. The idea of binge watching was born out of this shift, and it has since become a cultural phenomenon. The switch to streaming was a game changer, but it was only the beginning of Netflix's transformative journey. From a DVD by mail service to a global streaming powerhouse, Netflix has consistently stayed ahead of the curve, redefining not just how we consume content, but what we expect from it. And as we delve deeper into the company's trajectory, we'll see how this spirit of innovation continues to drive their success. In 2013, Netflix made a daring move that would set it apart from competitors. It started producing original content. This was a bold step into uncharted territory, but it proved to be a game changer for the streaming giant. Consider the first Netflix original series, House of Cards. This political drama not only captivated audiences with its gripping narratives and complex characters, but it also marked a significant shift in the television landscape. It was the first time a streaming service had produced a show that could rival the quality of a traditional television network. The series was not just successful, it was a phenomenon. It garnered massive viewership, critical acclaim, and even won prestigious awards. But Netflix didn't just stop at House of Cards. The success of this series paved the way for a whole slew of original content. From the nostalgic thrill of Stranger Things to the gritty realism of Narcos, Netflix proved time and again that it could create shows that resonated with audiences worldwide. The accolades poured in: Emmys, Golden Globes, BAFTAs, you name it. Netflix's original content was not just popular, it was critically acclaimed. This recognition was a testament to the quality of their productions and the talent of their creative teams. Yet it wasn't just about the awards. Netflix's original content strategy was about creating a unique identity. This was content you couldn't get anywhere else. It was exclusive, it was diverse, and it catered to a wide range of tastes. This made Netflix more than just a streaming service. It became a destination for quality entertainment. The original content strategy also proved to be a smart business move. By owning the rights to their shows, Netflix could control when and where they were available. This gave them a significant advantage over competitors who relied on licensing content from others. Netflix's commitment to creating original, high-quality content became its unique selling point, solidifying its position in the market. This bold move back in 2013 not only changed the course of Netflix but also redefined the entire television industry. By 2016, Netflix had expanded its services to over 190 countries, reaching a global audience. This wasn't a random endeavor, but a meticulously planned and executed strategy. To understand the genius behind this, let's take a closer look at how Netflix navigated its path to international expansion. First off, Netflix knew that each market was unique and it wasn't a one-size-fits-all scenario. It knew that to captivate audiences worldwide, it had to resonate with them culturally. So it adapted, it localized its content, offering a mix of popular American shows, regional favorites, and even producing local originals. Think Money Heist from Spain or Sacred Games from India. By doing so, Netflix wasn't just another American streaming platform, but a global entertainment powerhouse that understood and catered to its diverse audience. And it wasn't just about the content. Netflix also made strategic pricing decisions, offering affordable plans in emerging markets. It understood that the price point that worked in San Francisco wouldn't necessarily work in Sao Paulo or Seoul. This flexibility allowed Netflix to be accessible to a wider audience, regardless of their economic background. The numbers bear testament to the effectiveness of this strategy. By the end of 2019, Netflix had more than 167 million subscribers worldwide, with international subscribers accounting for over 60% of the total. Its revenue, too, saw an impressive surge, with global streaming revenue reaching over $20 billion in the same year. But Netflix didn't stop there. It continued to innovate and adapt, adding features like downloads for offline viewing, catering to markets with less reliable internet connectivity. It also experimented with mobile-only plans in select markets, understanding the mobile-first nature of internet usage in many parts of the world. Netflix's global reach played a crucial role in its growth, proving that content is indeed a universal language. It showed us that with the right strategy and understanding of the market, a company can not only expand its reach, but also become an integral part of the global cultural conversation. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the power of strategic global expansion. With a remarkable growth story and a dominant position in the market, investing in Netflix seems like a no-brainer. But is it? Let's delve into the financial aspects of investing in this streaming giant. Over the past decade, Netflix has continually showcased its robustness with impressive stock performance. This performance is reflected in its market capitalization, which is in the hundreds of billions of dollars. Yes, you heard that right, hundreds of billions. But what propels such growth? Well, a significant part of it can be attributed to Netflix's constant innovation. Netflix has always been at the forefront of the streaming industry, consistently pushing boundaries and creating trends, whether it's through its original content or its global expansion strategy. Looking forward, Netflix's prospects seem bright. The company's continuous investment in original content and its strategic global expansion suggest a promising future. Netflix's consistent growth in subscriber numbers also points towards a steady revenue stream. However, as enticing as these factors may seem, investing in Netflix, like any other company, comes with its own set of risks. As the streaming industry becomes more competitive with new players entering the field, Netflix's dominance could be challenged. Additionally, the company's heavy reliance on debt to finance its content production could also pose a risk. Investors should also bear in mind that Netflix's stock is known for its volatility. The stock price has seen significant fluctuations in the past, which can lead to potential losses for investors who aren't prepared for such swings. So, while Netflix's growth story and market position may make it an attractive investment, one must also consider the risks involved. It's about balancing the potential rewards against these risks and making an informed decision based on your risk tolerance and investment objectives. Investing in Netflix comes with its own set of challenges and opportunities. As with any investment, it's all about understanding the risks and rewards. We've taken a journey through Netflix's extraordinary growth, from a DVD by mail service to a global streaming giant. We've witnessed how Netflix revolutionized the entertainment industry, transitioning from physical DVDs to an online streaming platform that reaches millions of households worldwide. We've seen how Netflix's bold move into original content production paid off, delivering critically acclaimed hits that have won the hearts of audiences and critics alike. We've explored the company's ambitious global expansion, breaking barriers and transcending borders, bringing diverse content to a global audience. Finally, we've delved into the financial side of things, discussing the prospects of investing in Netflix. We've looked at the risks, the rewards, and what the future might hold for this entertainment titan. Whether you're an investor or just a curious observer, there's no denying that the Netflix story is a fascinating study of innovation, risk, and reward. And